Okay, Junior's gonna get started with this one first. MT09 engined, sweet Raptor quad. What a beast. So we're gonna give this a good once over. More than anything, they wanna make sure they get some XCP corrosion protection on them. It's got a bit of corrosion here and there. We'll probably blast a bit of paint, a bit of satin paint on a few of those bits and pieces. Get that exhaust all polished up. What a bit of kit this is. So we're gonna get underneath, see if we can get that exhaust all minted up. Unfortunately, these are chrome, so there's not much we can do. We will polish those as best we can. Like I said, more than anything, get some XCP corrosion misted all over this. Get it ready for the springtime. What a beast. There you go, just under 3 hours. This Yamaha MT09 Raptor has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty Ballets. Junior did this one, absolutely scrubbed, degreased, XCP'd. We polished up all the handmade exhaust on this. It's come up a right treat. Look at that, polished up. These axles unfortunately are chrome. We've done the best we can. We've XCP'd everything afterwards, so it should neutralize any rust that's on there and prevent any further. All the motor has been misted with XCP. All these bars, we put a bit of satin black on them, cover up all the little scratches and marks, as well as the wheelie bar here. All done in just under 3 hours. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Get yours booked in now at 07966 24996.